When you hear two words, China and garment industry, what comes to mind? Huge factories, thousands of workers, long working hours, heavy pollution. For many people, this is still the image of Chinese manufacturing. But for today, is that the same? According to WTO data, China is still one of the world's leading garment exporters. But the global map is changing. Vietnam and Bangladesh have been growing steadily, especially in cost-sensitive, large-volume garment orders. So the question is not, is China still making garments? The real question is, when some orders are moving to other countries, why do many global buyers still source garments from China? To find the answer, we drove from Wuxi to Nantong. Nantong is part of the Yangtze River Delta, one of China's most important textile and garment supply chain regions. Crossing the Yangtze River, we were not just going to visit one factory, we were entering a manufacturing network. When we arrived, it was lunchtime. The factory was quiet, the lights were off, the machines had stopped. For a moment, it did not look like much was happening. But after the lunch break, the whole place changed. Lights came on, workers returned to their stations, fabric, machines, patterns, samples, and orders start moving again. This is not a showroom. This is a working factory. Right now, we are looking at a sewing workshop. There are 5 sewing groups here, with around 70 to 80 workers in total. This area is the handwork section. They mainly handle tasks like sewing buttons and attaching zippers. Further inside, you can see the ironing and finishing team. They are responsible for pressing the garments, organizing them, and also doing the first round of quality checking. Along this side, each sewing group also has its own ironing station.
这边后面这一排全部就是车间里面的小探，每个班组配的小探在里面。这边后面。
Now let's turn the corner. This is the template cutting and template sewing area. The blue plastic boards on the table are the templates. Workers use these templates during sewing to keep the shape and stitching more accurate and consistent.
然后这边一块就是裁剪区。这边就是裁剪这一块裁剪区。
The other half of this workshop is used for fabric cutting. Workers use laser positioning to mark the shapes and then cut fabric with cutting machines. Each shape you see here will become one part of the garment.
Next, 接着去那个面料仓库。这边就是我们这边。
Now we keep walking forward, and this is the fabric warehouse. The fabric warehouse has 2 floors, but on that day I only filmed the first floor. Then we walk through the corridor near the entrance. The first room is the manager's office. The second room is the sample
这
room,
边是
and third
打
room
样
is the
打样
template
室
sample room.
对。这边也是做模板的，对，然后接着这边是我们的那个总检，
After
后道
turning
总
the
检，
corner, we arrive at the quality inspection area.
对，
Here, workers check every garment one by one, looking for safety risks and quality issues. But this is only the factory's internal inspection. It is the first level of checking. Garments that passed inspection will be packed here and prepared for shipment. And these are the finished products already packed. They are all being shipped to Japan. During the 1 hour we stayed there, 2 delivery trucks came into the factory. It may look like a small detail, but it says a lot. This service is called Lalamove. It works a bit like Uber, but for delivery and cargo transportation. There is an app where you can choose what type of vehicle you need to hire, what kind of goods you want to send, and where the pickup and delivery locations are. Then a driver will come to your specified location and deliver the goods for you. It is a very simple and efficient transportation network. In Nantong and across the Yangtze River Delta, garment production is not just one factory doing everything alone. It is a network. Fabric suppliers, accessory suppliers, workshops, logistics, trading partners, all moving around the same production rhythm. But a strong factory network does not automatically mean a safe order. For overseas buyers, there are still many questions. Can the factory understand the requirement? Can the right fabric be sourced? Can the delivery time be controlled? Can the quality be checked before shipment? Can the documents, customs clearance, international logistics be handled properly? This is where Goldlink comes in. Our job is not only to find a factory. Our job is to make the whole sourcing process easier, safer, and more reliable. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.